Hey, you know, if you're looking for a New Year's resolution, why not try a new hobby or maybe take up a craft for the new year? Pretty good, cool thing to do. And I've got the perfect person to help us get started. This is Karen Brown. She's from Puffy Mondays here in Nampa. And first of all, tell us, what is Puffy Mondays? What is the store?
This is a store created in response to the community's need for art supplies and classes on how to use them. And so we specifically do a lot with fiber art, which would be knitting, spinning, weaving, crocheting, and lots of other things, felting, anything having to do with wool usually, and other textiles. We also do a lot with pottery and with paint ceramics, and then fine art supplies such as paint, drawing, and other fine arts that involve those.
So basically, if you want to take up a craft, it could be knitting, could be crocheting, could be pottery. I understand pottery is one of your hottest, painting and the glazing and all that stuff. So tell us a bit more about that. What is the hottest craft right now? If I want to get involved in something, what is the best?
Well, a lot of people like things for different reasons. Some people want a craft to do that they can take along with them. So there's a huge surge in knitting and even spinning on what's called a drop spindle, a small tool that you would make wool into yarn with because it fits in your bag. And a lot of people like to make something when they're stuck somewhere. So there's that category of craft. The other idea would be something that you can do here that you may not have the equipment for at home, such as pottery. We do have pottery wheels. We have 5 wheels in the classroom, and we supply clay and we sell clay. And so people can come in and they can work with pottery, and they can take the month-long pottery class, get to do something they can't do at home.
And I understand that a couple of times a week you guys open up the store and just let people come in and craft, and that's where they would be able to do that, right?
Right, yeah, we call that open craft night. And we do have the potters that are enrolled in pottery for that month come in and use the wheels. And then we have people bring their craft and knitting projects, spinning, weaving, anything they can bring with them, and they work on their own projects over in our craft lounge.
Okay.
And that's until 10 at night, couple nights a week.
Okay. And if okay, now let's be honest. This all sounds cool, but I don't know how to knit or anything like that. So if I need some help, you have classes? Can you set me up here?
Yeah, we have a lot of classes online at puffymondays.com, and we do a ton of support for the projects you've already started. So people do call ahead and say, hey, is there anybody that can help me with my knitting project? I've really messed it up. And we let them know that we're here and they can come on in. So they usually hold things up and say, what did I do? And we help them fix it. We also do beginning knit or crochet lessons with no lesson fee at all. We have your supply fee rated between $15 and $25, depending on your choice of yarn and needles. And then you leave with your first project and you know how to go. So.
And there are classes for adults, and there are ongoing classes, but there are also classes for the kids as well?
Yeah, we do classes usually pretty much anytime kids are out of school. We just did a Christmas present camp, we called it. We helped them make their own Christmas presents with fine art supplies, packaged them all up and sent them home. They were excited about that. We do a spring break kids program, and we do a whole kids summer art program. And for that matter, a lot of these adult classes children can take, and they're very good at it. So they love doing that too.
So I guess what we're saying is, if you're looking for something creative to do for the new year, Puffy Mondays is the answer. For more information, what do they do?
You can look online at puffymondays.com, and that's spelled Puffymondays. Spelled a little different than the day of the week.
Right. So, or they could just stop by, and we're right here in historic downtown Nampa, and we got the address right here for you. So thank you so much for talking to us, Karen.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
Hey, more information, go to Puffy Mondays.